So we're in Scottsdale, near Old Town Scottsdale. We're renovating this old house. We've torn out a whole bunch of things, taken off the old shutters. We're going to be enclosing the carport. We've already enclosed this outdoor storage room and made it a laundry room. So we're going to enter here into the family room. We already opened up the family room to the living room and moved over this peninsula spot to make it wider. We're going to be taking out that door, making a nice big window across here. Refrigerator's going to go in there. Door's going to go away. Sink is in the same spot, but we took this whole wall out here. That was right here, this wall. There was just a pass through to walk in, and then the wall went all the way over to this window. But that's all gone now. And then this is our new laundry room inside. It's kind of dark, but it's a huge laundry room, going to be very nice. And the laundry room used to be back over here where the refrigerator is going to be going. That was actually just a laundry machine, washing machine, but no dryer. We have a few things we tossed out back here that are going to be hauled away in a huge dumpster, I'm sure, eventually. So, fun with remodel. And here's the backyard. Going to be putting in a new block wall fence. And it backs up to an alley. So, here's the way the back of the house looks now. Broken windows, all the usual. Kind of hard to get a good visual on all this. Nice big covered patio here. I think that's Papago Mountain. Let's go back inside. Watch your step. So it's going to be a nice eating peninsula there. And they're making all the walls really smooth in here. Here's the hall bath. We'll be ripping all that out. And then here's the master. It looks lovely, doesn't it? I think those black bags just add a nice accent. So there used to be a long sliding closet that went across that whole wall. We made it a walk-in closet, and we tore out all the 1957 pink tile that was in the little tiny shower, and now we have a big shower going in, really big shower. It's going to have a full body mister, a niche for your for your soaps, and then of course your vanity will go in here, brand new vanity, brand new lighting, nice big window. So, yeah, got a little bit of cleanup to do here. All the walls will be flat, very smooth. Here's some storage in the hallway here. And then a nice new smooth walls in here. Big walk-in closet in this room. And one more bedroom. So it's a 2-bath, 3-bedroom. Yeah, and I'll come back over and give you another update in a week or so. But man, they tore out a boatload of stuff, putting it all back together again. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Woo.